The heavy rainfall in Bhatkal since Monday evening continued on Tuesday as well, resulting in the highest recorded rainfall in the entire Uttara Kannada district. According to the meteorological department, Bhatkal received 112.10 mm of rain from Monday 8 am to Tuesday 8 am. The meteorological department has issued a red alert for 3 districts in Karnataka, including Dakshina Kannada, Udupi, and Uttara Kannada in coastal Karnataka. They have predicted heavy rain until Wednesday, along with gale force winds, lightning, and thunderstorms. On Monday night, heavy water accumulation affected the traffic system at Bhatkal Shamsuddin Circle and Ranginkata National Highway. However, the water was drained once the rain subsided. On Tuesday, heavy and continuous rain resumed, leading to water accumulation on the National Highway and other areas, including Rangan-Katte.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಊರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗತಿ ನೀವೇ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇ ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು.
The water accumulation in Rangan-Katte was so significant that the entire area resembled a pond. Reports indicate that some houses were damaged due to fallen trees in rural areas of Bhatkal on Monday night. Additionally, the ESCOM office reported 10 electric poles falling in the Bellini area of the taluk on Monday night, as well as 1 pole falling in 2 other locations. Furthermore, 3 electric transformers were damaged due to fallen trees.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಂಬಗಳು ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು 10 ಮರ ಬಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ 10 ಕಂಬಗಳು ಮುರಿದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಬಿ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಕಂಬಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Continuous rain has also been reported in Mangalore, Udupi, and Kundapur. Karwar reported rainfall starting from 6 pm on Tuesday, with heavy rain continuing.